Today, we're speaking with Apex Group about their rapid global expansion and what's driving their growth. We're also going to explore how Apex is prioritizing new markets, adapting to rising ESG and sustainability standards, and leveraging technology to enhance client experience and efficiency. We're talking about all of that and more with the CEO on this episode of Taking Stock. Let's just dive right in. For our viewers who might not know, can you give them a brief overview of exactly what Apex Group does?
Apex Group is a business I founded 21 years ago. 2 people in a little office in Bermuda. Now we're scaled out to be 13,000 people in 51 countries, really focused on leading the way in asset servicing. So that's providing the technology and the services to large institutional asset managers in basically every jurisdiction where they're operating.
You've had rapid expansion in recent years, especially on the global scale. Talk to me about what is driving this global expansion and how do you continue to sustain this momentum?
Well, I think I really did the hard yards between 2005 and 2015 when I set up 35 organic offices around the world. And really the last 7 years has been about creating what I think is the largest product set in asset servicing, which means that large asset managers can come to us for everything they need. Doesn't matter where they need it on leading technology. Historically, they had to use like 25 or 30 different vendors that look like us. So really allowing people to consolidate their vendor pool, and that's what we're building, is that opportunity to have one vendor to give you everything you need wherever you need it.
You also have a large focus when it comes to sustainability and ESG efforts. So talk to me more about those initiatives and how it's helping your bottom line.
ESG is critical to every business, and sustainability is core. And I'm really focused on doing that in my personal life, but as well as having the business do that too. And we have a business that really ranks, rates and scores how ESG private companies are to show them the journey they can go on to improve. And I think if everyone's improving a little bit, it makes the planet a better place, and that's what our focus is.
When it comes to the financial service industry as a whole, where do you see the biggest places of innovation and the biggest opportunity?
So I think right now it's a real inflection point. Technology is changing so rapidly. You're hearing about your democratization of private markets, you're hearing about tokenization of funds on blockchain, and that's really going to be where the industry is driving. So it really allows investments which weren't possible or accessible a few years ago to now be accessible into wealth channels, retirement channels, and ultimately retail channels. So being able to take these assets which previously weren't able to be invested in and then deliver that will be hugely valuable. And that's really where we are, and that's what we're focused on. It's like taking a private markets company and make it trade like a public. And if you can do that, it's going to be really important.
How is Apex positioning itself, though, to keep up with that evolving growth?
Well, we're investing in the technology. And that's going to be the key piece to that, is to be able to put these services on blockchain. It's not necessarily about AI in our space. It's about blockchain first and then AI in the future. But that will really enable people to get more scale, more volume, and that's going to be important.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining me today on Taking Stock.
No, it's great. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely.
Thank you.